With just one phase completed, New Orleans is saving 5 million gallons of water a day. The key is a time-saving HDPE pipe installation method. Being more than 300 years old, the Crescent City has had water transmission lines ranging from hollowed-out cypress logs to more traditional materials such as cast iron, asbestos concrete, and now it's using leak-free high-density polyethylene HDPE pipe. According to the Plastic Pipe Institute, the HDPE pipe offers corrosion protection, flexibility, durability, and best seismic resistance than any other piping materials. It also virtually eliminates leakage, plus prevents any infiltration of sediment or rainwater into the system. New Orleans' aging infrastructure has led to numerous boil orders, unstable water pressure, plus damage to roads and pavement from water main breaks. The Sewage and Water Board of New Orleans is replacing cast iron potable water transmission mains with a modern piping system, stating that it was using HDPE pipe because it is more durable than traditional pipes. The utility serves more than 138,400 customers with nearly 152 million gallons of water daily using 1,600 miles of water main. Completed in the fall of 2023, the new South Claiborne transmission main is saving New Orleans 5 million gallons of water a day. And using CompressionFit trenches installation technology and the HDPE pipe provided a 25% savings in material, labor, and time compared to other methods. The Murphy Pipeline's CompressionFit method uses the old pipe as a path for pulling the new pipe through a reduction die. This technique helped reduce the overall project costs, minimizing traffic disruption, and simplify the installation. Murphy is a member company of PPI's Municipal Advisory Board, MAB. More than 4,000 feet of 48-inch and 1,000 feet of 30-inch diameter pipe were used, manufactured by Agru America, a member company of PPI. The job won Agru the Project of the Year Award for the Municipal and Industrial Division of PPI. CMG Pipelines installed the pipe. Its president, Carmelo Gutierrez, explained that there's not a lot of certainty about what's in the ground in New Orleans. That's also why we suggest HDPE, because of the soil, the settling, and the water table. All those issues we have in New Orleans is solved by the HDPE pipe. The longest pull by the CMG crew was about 1,400 feet through the old cast iron pipe. Gutierrez had this to say: "Compression allowed us to fix the lines quicker. We didn't have to worry about the path of the pipe because we followed the old path. It made an otherwise tough job fun." We believe HDPE is the way of the future. Complete project details can be found in the Informed Infrastructure article, and more information can be found at www.plasticpipe.org/MABpubs.